Katherine Walters here again from the Purple Raven Boutique. If you've already seen my video on wire wrapped loops, you will recognize these two little guys. But the reason I wanted to shoot this video is to introduce you to the flush cutter. Flush cutters come in different sizes, and the different sizes are often geared to cutting wires of different thickness. This particular German set of cutters is geared to cut wire safely up to an 18 gauge thickness. So pay attention when you're selecting your pliers and consider, your cutters, and consider what size wire you're going to be working with. I have this pair plus a larger pair for cutting heavier wires. This is a nice pair for getting in tight to finer gauge work. But this pair will allow me to demonstrate for you very easily how to use these safely. With flush cutters, you have two sides to the cutter. This is the side, the flat side here, that will give you the best cut. So if I'm working with, say, this piece of wire, the waste would be on this side, and what I want to keep or work with would be on the other side. Now, when you're cutting with these things, if you make the mistake of just going, did you see that just flew off and hit the wall and then bounced back? That's not the way to use your cutters. When you're using your cutters, you bring them in and you put your finger on the end of the wire. So when you cut, it drops safely to your bead mat. This is important when you're working with working at home on your kitchen table. You don't want little bits of sharp wire going off everywhere. And also, do not, under any circumstances, turn the cutters towards you when you're working, even if you use your finger, because there's always the possibility that your finger could slip, and you will have a very sharp, tiny projectile heading for your face. So to safely use cutters, come in close to your work like this, use your finger to steady the wire you're about to cut off, and snip, and it drops safely to your bead mat. Anyway, that's how to safely use a set of flush cutters. Have a great day.